Okay, everyone, this is John here, and please forgive me. I am recording for the first time on a set of Google Glass I just got. So, if you've been following my adventures, you know I just blew a PSU. 1 second, it's right over here. Here's the old one. And you can see that in there. That's a nice little burn. And so there's a nice little fire. Put it out pretty quick, thanks to this kill switch we have here. But I just got the new one from Amazon at the recommendation of Blue Eagle Labs. A little different on the bottom. I didn't have to mount it to this side bracket, so it's only being held in by 3, but it's enough. And I've already wired in all the connectors in the back. Let's spin this around. As you can see, starting from the top, we have line in, the negative, and ground. And then negative, negative. There's a third place for a negative, and a positive, and a positive. And then the third place for positive is open. And these two sets of wires here go to the main power supply. Close that up, and you can see it on the inside. All right. I plugged in the USB. I have my main line power in, and this is my printed bracket, by the way. It goes up here, and let me set this back on. Place that back in there. And you can barely see it in there, but the main line goes in from the bottom, and the outline goes back into the power supply. So this is the power switch. So one of few things will happen. I'll plug my USB in right now. Okay, that's good. I'm not getting temperature on the thermistor for some reason. Let's see if we can fix that. There we go. Just had to adjust these little pins I've had to create for this system. So the reason my power supply blew is because I was trying to rewire this while it was connected. So never do that. Never work on any electronics while it's connected. And it keeps coming loose. So looking at this right here. You see that? It says 0. That's not good. But the bed's working. So let me play with this a little bit. Push it in. And the reason I didn't use the other side of connectors for this is because I didn't want to ruin my maker gear hot end. What is going on? That's not going to be good. So I'll have to troubleshoot that. It won't let me ever do anything until that's on. So it's always a process trying to get these things to work. So I'll have to troubleshoot that pin and then get back on this and try it again before I can even try to start up.